The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a snow squall warning for west central Randall County, southeastern Deaf Smith County, until 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:29 p.m. Central Standard Time, a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from 9 miles south of Amarillo to Amarillo, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. Locations impacted include Hereford, Dawn, and Bootleg. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents.